What is 3D printing? 3D printing, a type of additive manufacturing, creates three-dimensional parts by stacking materials layer by layer based on a CAD digital model. This technology existed in 70s of 20th century, and in recent years, with breakthroughs in machinery, materials, and software, it has been widely used in many industries. How does 3D printing work? 1. Digital modeling. Design a digital 3D model through CAD software, or obtain model data through 3D scanning. 2. Print preparation. Import the file into pre-processing software, set parameters, and slice the model into horizontal cross-section multi-layer structures. 3. Instruction transmission. Send the sliced print instructions to the 3D printer. 4. Physical printing. The printer builds the material layer by layer into a physical part through specific technology. Forming methods vary with technologies. 5. Surface finishing. Perform cleaning, depowdering, support removal, or sanding, etc. on the printed piece. 6. Finished product application. After surface finishing, 3D printed parts can be used directly or further processed through smoothing, painting, coating, etc. to meet specific application requirements. 3D printing materials cover metals, woods, concretes, etc., among which plastics are the most commonly used materials. 3 major types of plastic 3D printing technologies. Fused deposition modeling, FDM. FDM is the most widely used technology in consumer-grade 3D printing. It heats and melts thermoplastic filament, then deposit it layer by layer through a nozzle, finally forming. Compatible with ABS, PLA, and many other thermoplastic plastics, suitable for low-cost rapid production of basic concept verification models and simple part prototypes. Stereolithography, SLA. SLA is the world's first commercialized 3D printing technology and is still one of the most commonly used technologies in professional fields today. Solidifies liquid resin into hardened plastic through laser-induced photopolymerization reaction. SLA products have high resolution, clear details, and smooth surfaces, suitable for high-precision prototypes and parts with strict tolerances and smooth surface requirements, such as molds, functional parts. Selective laser sintering, SLS. Industrial-grade mainstream additive manufacturing technology, it uses high-power laser to fuse polymer powder particles. Unfused powder can directly serve as support, no additional setting required. Suitable for making parts with internal structures, grooves, and other complex geometric shapes. Commonly used nylon materials with excellent impact resistance, chemical resistance, high temperature resistance, and other stability advantages, possessing single-piece low-cost, high-efficiency, mature materials and other advantages, is a cost-effective choice for functional prototype production and small batch replacement for injection molding. Metal 3D printing. In addition to plastics, metal 3D printing as an industrial-grade core technology application scenarios are continuously expanding. Its mainstream technologies take selective laser melting (SLM) and direct metal laser sintering (DMLS) as the core, both based on the interaction of laser and metal powder to achieve forming. Selective laser melting (SLM). Industrial-grade high-precision metal printing core technology, IDIS's high-energy density laser to completely melt metal powder, achieving metallurgical bonding with the underlying layer and then cooling and forming density close to 100%. Compatible with titanium alloy, aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and other single metal powders, suitable for aerospace, engine blades, high-end medical implants, titanium alloy joints, precision molds, and other scenarios with extremely high requirements for density and strength. Direct metal laser sintering, DMLS. Industrial-grade general metal printing technology, it uses laser to make metal powder particle surface melt and bond to form, density 95% to 99%, some need subsequent thermal processing. Compatible with single metals, metal matrix composites, etc. applied to automotive parts, dental restorations, precision mechanical parts, etc. Advantages of 3D printing. Speed. Traditional manufacturing needs to make molds, cycle reaches weeks to months. 3D printing completes part forming in a few hours, helping rapid design verification and accelerating product to market. Low cost. 3D printing does not need expensive molds and complex debugging, although large batch production cost is not as good as traditional process but adapts to small and medium batch scenarios, can supplement or replace traditional process. High design freedom. Can easily manufacture complex structures that traditional processes are difficult to achieve, and can also integrate multiple components into one, reduce weight, strengthen strength, shorten assembly time. Strong customization ability. Only modified digital files to customize products, no additional mold cost, first popularized in medical and other high-precision demand industries, now gradually applied to consumer goods large-scale customization. Main application fields of 3D printing. Automotive. Automotive enterprises use 3D printing to make engine blocks, dashboard brackets, and other core parts prototypes, 1 to 2 days to complete iteration, greatly shortening new car R&D cycle. Medical. Medical field can print customized dental molds, dentures, artificial joints, etc. fitting patient physiological data, improving treatment precision. Consumer field can print personalized trendy play hand figures, customized photo figurines for consumers, precisely matching personal aesthetics and commemorative needs. Conclusion. If you need to learn more about 3D printing, welcome to subscribe to our channel. If you are not sure which process is most suitable for your project, please feel free to contact Zintilon. We have a professional team of engineers ready to support your project all along.